Hello student, today we start exercise 6.4. Try these of page number 123, chapter 6, the triangle and its properties of class 7th. Topic, isosceles triangle. The triangle in which two sides are equal, called isosceles triangle. Triangle name, let it be PQR. Side PQ is equals to PR. It's isosceles triangle. If these two sides are equal, then opposite to side PQ, angle R, will be equal to opposite to side PR, angle Q. Angle R equals to angle Q because of isosceles triangle called isosceles property. डियर स्टूडेंट, आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल में दो साइड इक्वल होती है. अगर दो साइड इक्वल है तो उनके अपोजिट जो एंगल बनते हैं वो भी इक्वल होंगे. एंगल Q we can write it as PQR. Angle R PRQ also we can write. If two sides are equal, then their opposite angles, एंगल को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, आर इक्वल, called isosceles property. Next one. On the basis of isosceles property, we do some questions. We have to find x. These two sides are equal. सामने 40. X means to say angle x equals to 40 degree. Reason, isosceles property. Next is second figure. Let I am giving its name, and triangle ABC. AB is equals to BC. AB के सामने एंगल 45 डिग्री. BC के सामने एंगल A. These two angles are equal. Angle A is 45 degree. Now we just have to find angle x. X plus 45 plus 45 makes 180. Reason, angle sum property. Solving, 45 makes 90. 90 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा, माइनस का हो जाएगा. तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 90 डिग्री आंसर. Now the next third part. These two sides are equal. Opposite to this side angle 50. Opposite to this side angle is x. Both these angles are equal because of isosceles property. Now the next question. Here x, these two sides are equal. तो ये एंगल भी कितने का होगा x डिग्री का होगा. Let me take its name. Triangle name PQR. PQ is equals to PR. That's why angle Q equals to angle R, which is equal to x degree. Now we apply angle sum property, which we already discussed with an activity. X makes 2x plus 100 equals to 180. 100 माइनस में आ जाएगा, माइनस करने पर 80. तो x की वैल्यू 80/2 मेक्स 40 डिग्री. Part 5th. Symbol of 90. Marking A, B, C triangle. AB is equals to BC. To find x, given कि आपको ABC is isosceles triangle. You can also write here. Solution. AB equals to BC. एक छोटी सी ट्रिक और देखेंगे आप. आपको साइड इक्वल गिवन है AB इक्वल्स टू BC. दोनों में कॉमन एलिमेंट B, तो एंगल A इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल C होगा. सो एंगल A इक्वल्स टू एंगल C. रीजन आइसोसेलेस प्रॉपर्टी विच इज इक्वल्स टू x. क्यों? क्योंकि आपके पास एंगल A x डिग्री का है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, x प्लस x प्लस 90 इक्वल्स टू 180. रीजन एंगल सम property. After solving, we have 45 degree. Next question, part 6th. You will try yourself. X, also x, same as part 5th. X plus 40 equals to 180. 2x plus 40 is equals to 180. आपके पास x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 70 डिग्री. Now the next part number 7. See, x, these two sides are equal, also x degree. Here an exterior angle that is equals to 120 degree. Write it name, triangle ABC. After producing, we are giving here Q. To find x, given ABC is an isosceles triangle, then AB equals to AC. सो कॉमन क्या है यहाँ पर A, तो एंगल B जो है वो एंगल C के इक्वल हो जाएगा x डिग्री. एंगल x plus 120 we can find it by linear pair. x की वैल्यू 180 minus 120, 60 degree. That is the answer. Next part. Let me give its name. Triangle DEF. Given DEF is an isosceles triangle. To find x, solution. Side DE is equal to side DF. So, angle E equals to angle F equals to x degree. X plus x equals to 110. Reason, exterior angle property. x को x से ऐड किया, becomes 2x equals to 110. X is of 55 degree is your answer. Next question, part 9th. Here 30. Also 30. Because of vertical opposite angle. Give the name. Angle PRQ. To find x, given PQR is an isosceles triangle. Solution, angle PRQ equals to 30 degree. Student, you have to give the reason for each and every question why it is. ऐसा हमने क्यों लिखा 30 डिग्री, क्यों? क्योंकि ये वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स हैं. सो x equals to 30. Why? Because QR is equals to QP, isosceles triangle, then their opposite angles are equal, called isosceles property. Next question is sum number 2. Find angles x and y in each figure. Let the triangle name is ABC. Given figure right hand side, solution left hand side. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Then to find value of x and y. Solution, AB equals to AC. So angle B equals to angle C. इस एंगल C को हम ACB लिखेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि एंगल सी ये भी हो सकता है, तो इस वजह से इस अंदर वाले एंगल को लिखने का वे दैट इज ए सी बी, बोथ एंगल्स आर इक्वल टू वाई. Now angle y we can find by linear pair. Sum of two adjacent angle if 180 called linear pair, which we already discussed in chapter 5. Let I repeat. एक लाइन पर एक रे है, अगर इन दोनों एंगल का सम 180 होता है, मीन्स टू से लाइन फॉर्म करता है, तो उसको हम लीनियर पेयर बोलते हैं. y is equals to 180 minus 120 becomes 60 degree. Next we have to find x also. X plus y equals to 120. Reason, exterior angle property. Put the value of y. Now 60 goes to right hand side, becomes 60 degree answer. Value of x, value of y. Next question, part second. Symbol of 90 degree. Side equal. If it is x, also x. We can find x by using angle sum property and angle y by exterior angle, or we can find it by linear pair also. Given, let me take its name, DEF is an isosceles triangle. To find x and y. Solution, both these angles are equal. X equals to angle EDF isosceles property. X plus 90, 180. Reason, angle sum property. Now we are going to solve it. We have x as 45 degree. Next, we have to just find y also. Then y is equals to x plus 90. Reason, exterior angle property. Here the value of x 45, then y is equals to 135 degree. Answer. Next and last part of question number 2, which is on your screen. X, here also we will mark x. 92, also an angle of 92 degree because of vertically opposite angle. Give the triangle name PQR. Given, PQR is an isosceles triangle. To find values of x and y. Solution, angle QPR equals to 92 degree. Reason: vertically opposite angles. Next, x plus 92 form 180. Give reason: angle sum property of triangle x 2x 92 राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा, माइनस का हो जाएगा. We will use rough work area for minus. Eight. 2 in division makes 44. X 44 degree. Now we will find y. X plus 92 equals to y. Reason: exterior angle property. Value of x is 44. Adding y is 136 degree. At last we will write answer. X 44, y 136 degree. Easy? Thank you.